Hello, I'm Edward and welcome to windowsreport.com. In this video, I will show you how to fix the error 0x80070570 in Windows 10. For a more detailed explanation and even more solutions, please check the article in the description below. If you get this error, it could mean that some of your hard drives are damaged. Certain hidden directories may also be to blame in this situation and you need to take action. In this scenario, I will show you a few solutions that might help with your problem. The first solution is moving your file to a different directory. If you're getting this error code while trying to delete certain files, you might want to try moving them to a different directory. The simplest way to do this is right-click a file, then choose Cut from the menu. Navigate to a different folder or directory, right-click the empty space and then click Paste. This should move your file to a different location. Users report that in order to fix this error, you need to return the file to its original location, so repeat the process and return the file to where it was. In some cases, performing a startup repair solved the problem. To do this, while in Windows 10, go to the Start menu and click the Restart button while holding the Shift button on your keyboard. When your computer restarts, it should boot to Advanced Startup Options. Then, click on Troubleshoot and access Advanced Options. Next, click Startup Repair. If asked for administrator password, make sure that you enter it. Startup Repair will now try to fix your computer, and after it's done, you should see a report saying whether the repair process was successful or not. Another solution might be checking your hard drive for errors. In this case, you have to open this PC, right-click the partition you want to scan, and choose Properties from the menu. Navigate to Tools and click the Check button. Then, check Automatically Fix System Errors and click Start. It might happen that if you're encountering this error, the problem might be related to corrupted files on your hard drive. To fix this problem, you just need to check your hard drives for errors. To do that, just go in the lower left corner to press the Start button. Then write CMD. Then right-click the command prompt and run as administrator. When command prompt opens, enter the following line: CHKDSK /F and then the letter of your drive. Check disk scan will now start and scan the selected partition. Wait for a few moments while Windows scans your drive. After the scanning process is finished, repeat it for other drives on your PC. Another solution might be deleting the hidden shared directories. If you're getting this error while trying to install Windows 10, the problem might be the hidden shared directories. These directories are usually hidden, so before you can delete them, be sure that you have hidden files revealed on your PC. According to users, these files are located in the root directories on your partitions, such as C, D, or any other partitions. After deleting these files, just try installing Windows 10 again. Another solution might be deleting all files in the SoftwareDistribution directory. The way you have to do this is clicking the Start button in the lower left corner, write CMD, then right-click the command prompt and run as administrator. When command prompt opens, just run the following commands. Then, minimize the command prompt. Now navigate to the following directory path and delete all files from it. See Windows Software Distribution. After deleting all files, go back to command prompt and run the following commands. Sometimes this error can occur due to your software distribution directory. If this happens, you won't be able to download and install updates. And the last solution is checking your memory. Another cause for this error can be your RAM memory. If you're having this issue, be sure to check your RAM. To do that, you can try using memtest86+ tool. Keep in mind that you need to scan individual memory modules in order to find the faulty one. Once you find the problematic module, remove it and replace it. Several users reported that their RAM was the problem, so be sure to check it. For more information and details, please check the article in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.